Hello, welcome back. Okay, in this particular video, we're going to do a right side underarm pass. Right side underarm pass. I'm going to give you a few different angles for it. Now, what you're going to see is two different ways of doing it, all right? One's going to be a little longer and one's going to be a little shorter, all right? Let's do the long one first. So here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. From this angle, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Lovely. All right, let's go toward the camera. And we'll make it a little shorter again. This is the longer version. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And now away from the camera. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Nicely done. Now, we're going to show you the shorter version, all right? And this is all created from when the lead goes over the lady's head. So ladies, you're always following what? The connection. So for more information on all this, private lesson style videos will give you more detail.
Yes,
cool?
definitely.
All right, so now the quicker version, the early release. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. You catch it? Good. Let's try it again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Nicely done. Let's go toward the camera. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. All right. Nicely done. Okay, now you've got to go practice this. Practice both versions together or separate. Watch it over and over until you get it. Cool? All right. Go practice and then come on back for your next pattern.